walk and I found these Marsh Marigolds. This isn't the best one pressing for a project, but I only found a couple, so we're going to use this as an example. But you do want to pick the best looking ones, because the best looking ones are going to give you the best pressed results. So I'm just going to pinch that off like that. Now, one thing to keep in mind is some wildflowers don't stay picked very well, very long. And this one already started to fall apart just on the walk home. So one thing you can do is you can take the press out with you. The regular press fits easily in a purse or a backpack, or is easy to carry along. Pick the flower, put it in the press, put the press together, and then just microwave it when you get home. But I can still use these pieces for various projects, so I'm still going to press them. Okay. That was all it needed in my microwave. Everything is papery,